Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to start page numbering from specific page in Microsoft Word. So here you can see I have this Word document where these two pages are not the one from where I want to add the page numbering. I want to start the page numbering from this page. So we need to select the start of the page from where you want to start the page numbering. Once you do that, now go to layout, click on breaks, and here we need to click on next page in order to create the section. Once you do that, now go to insert, and here we need to go to header section, and here click on page number, and now choose the position where you want to put your page number. I want to put on top of page and right here at the corner. Next, click on page number here again, then go to format page number, and here we need to select it on start and one should be typed here, and just click on OK. Then here we need to deselect this option link to previous, then you can just click anywhere else, and now here we need to delete the first section page number, so you can just select it and hit delete key. Once you delete that, you will see that the page numbering is starting from the specific page we want. And yeah guys, that's how you can do this. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe my YouTube channel? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.